Guys, today we're taking a look at a cool little gadget that is a Bluetooth speaker, a pixel display, clock alarm, white noise machine, and a mini games console. It's called the MiniToo and it's made by Divoom. And if you want to see what this cool little device can do, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the Divoom MiniToo. It's a tiny retro computer style device with a 1.77 inch pixel display. It's got a built-in Bluetooth speaker, a rechargeable battery, alarms, white noise, timers, games, and loads of custom clock faces and animations. Now, the obvious attraction is the design. It looks like a miniature computer from the 1980s, complete with a tiny keyboard, orange buttons, and a little joystick on the front, which is functional by the way. But there's actually quite a lot going on inside as well, because you can use this as a speaker on your desk, a clock beside the bed, a white noise machine at night, or just have it running pixel art and animations in the background. Now guys, before we get into it, Divoom did send this over for me to take a look at, and of course for me to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or different. So let's get it out of the box and see what we have. So guys, inside the box, we've got some pixel art stickers. I mean, that's pretty cool if you like that kind of thing. I probably won't use them, but they're pretty cool all the same. We also have the paperwork, and it's always worth taking a look at the paperwork. I know we don't tend to do that because lots of things are self-explanatory, but this little gadget has got a ton of features packed in. We also have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and we've got the MiniToo itself. And you know what guys, looking around, this is pretty small. It's got a color screen, it's got two orange buttons, the joystick and the little molded keyboard underneath, all representative of a 1980s computer. And guys, round the back you've got USB-C charging, you've got a microSD card slot and the subwoofer with a speaker on the top. And guys, as small as this is, it feels good in the hand, solid, and has a bit of weight to it. Now guys, to switch it on, you hold down the power button for a couple of seconds and you immediately get that little retro CRT startup sequence, and from there you can move through the menus using the joystick. At its heart, the MiniToo is really a Bluetooth speaker, so you can connect this to your phone, tablet, computer, whatever, and play music through it. You can also connect it to a computer over USB or load your own content onto a micro SD card. And for something this small, the sound is genuinely impressive. There's more volume and bass than I expected, and sitting on a desk in front of you, it sounds pretty good. Now, obviously, this isn't going to replace a large home speaker, but that's not really what it's intended for. It's a small desktop speaker, and for that kind of use, I think the sound is more than good enough. Then guys, we have the screen, and there are loads of clock faces already available. You can move between the ones installed on the MiniToo using the joystick. You've also got the traditional digital clocks, animated characters, retro computer style displays, and plenty of other designs. But the Divoom app is where you get far more control. You can download pixel art and animations made by other users. You can install new clock faces. You can display messages and create your own artwork. You can even draw your own pixel images. I mean, my drawing's terrible, but you can draw them in the app and send them straight across to the MiniToo. The app does have quite a lot packed into it, so it takes a little exploring, but there's loads of content available once you start looking around. The MiniToo also has a white noise mixer with sounds including rain, ocean waves, a fan, frogs, Frogs, yeah. At a campfire, you can mix several sounds together and you can control the volume of each one separately, which is actually quite a nice feature if you want to use this beside the bed. There's also alarms, countdown timers, and a Pomodoro timer, a scoreboard, and a noise meter. And then, guys, we have the games. Okay, there are 15 of these bad boy games built in, including versions of Snake, Breakout, Flappy Bird, and a small shooting game, which, yes, these aren't going to scare your PlayStation away, but for a bit of retro fun, they're pretty cool. And I tell you what, they're pretty addictive also. And one thing worth knowing is the MiniToo doesn't have Wi-Fi. So you know what? Features such as weather information and things like that are updated through the phone app rather than directly from the internet. I've reviewed quite a few Divoom gadgets and they're all pretty good, and so is this one. So guys, there you have it. The Divoom MiniToo. I think Divoom has packed a surprising amount into something this small. The retro design looks great, the speaker sounds much bigger than you would expect, and there are loads of ways to customize the screen. The games are fairly basic, but you know what? They're cool. The app takes a little time to find your way around, but again, you know, it's not a big deal, right? And the clock, alarms, white noise, and custom pixel art give it plenty of uses beyond just playing music. So if you like a bit of retro technology, a bit of pixel art, or unusual gadgets for your desk or gaming setup, the MiniToo is definitely worth a look. And guys, I'll leave the latest price and product links in the description below. And if you've got any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Divoom for sending me this cool MiniToo to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.